wipe them out. What we now have is an understanding that, yes, the mass extinctions really do have some relevance to us. We know now that impacts were a minor part of it. That's not to say they're not dangerous. They're not to say we shouldn't keep tracking them. But it is to say that if you can worry about mass extinctions and thinking everyone's caused by impact, you personally have nothing, no stake in it at all. Wow. A rock from space? I don't control space. Not my problem. Well, it could be my problem, but I didn't do anything to it. But what if I told you that every single person in this room has some responsibility for what's taking place to our atmosphere right now? But on the other hand, what if I told you that every single person in this room is so powerful? Over and over I hear people say, I'm just one person, I have no effect. Think of all the meals you've eaten in your life and you will eat. Think of all the fresh water you've had. Think of all what you've needed to live and your clothes. And every one of those aspects affects our atmosphere. Every one of you has power and must take it. We have to try to not get another one of these hydrogen sulfide rich aspects. Lee Kump, who was with us a couple of years ago, has already modeled that the Pacific Ocean is showing the first stages of a slowdown of the currents. This sort of thing would take thousands of years to take place. But what would take far less than the thousands of years is melting in the ice caps. Even a 1 meter sea level rise takes out an awful lot of human agriculture. So the lesson is, yes, we are all involved in these mass extinctions. The second question I posed to you, I think we are the least endangered species on the planet. How can I say that? Well, here comes the hydrogen sulfide. Let's build gas masks. But being alive doesn't mean being happy. Being extinction-proof, as I think we are, doesn't guarantee any sort of a life that we want to live. And so again, this is the twin aspect. How do we live, and what is the level of sustainability and the level of society that we want to be in? I see so many young people in this room. This is your problem, and you have the power to do something about it. Thank you.
Creo que tenemos un poco de tiempo para preguntas. Por favor, hay un micrófono aquí que podemos pasar. Sean concisas, preguntas cortas. ¿Alguien tiene una pregunta? Jorge, ¿dónde está el micrófono?
Aló.
Alvarez went there to study it. He thought that extinctions were caused by reverse and they're not.
¿They're not? Okay. George. Puntualmente la pregunta, ¿no?
Professor,